The director of the Social Welfare Department under the Deputy Prime Minister's office, Moses Dlamini, says it is the responsibility of both parents to care for the maintenance of the child. Now, Dlamini says there is a lot that people should understand about the care and maintenance of the child. Here's a report.
The Director of Social Welfare under the Deputy Prime Minister's office, Moses Dlamini, says they have had cases where women thought that it was their idea that only a man is responsible for the welfare of a child, which is not true. He says there is a law that clearly explains that they are equally responsible for the welfare of a child.
There isn't much we can do as the Department of Social Welfare on that one unless there is proof. And the proof of paternity for a child is measured by a paternity test, a DNA test that is done at the health facility or any laboratory that is capable of doing that. Unfortunately, the fees that are charged at the moment are exorbitant. For instance, we are talking about 4,000 emalangeni per test. Yes. That will conclusively say that the child is 99.99% Dlamini's child or Skudla's child. So that in that case, then the paternity is now known. As for the person who has been paying, who is not the biological father of the child, then I think that is a civil case. They can, if they are so aggrieved, to go to a court of law, a judge, to say, hey, I've been paying so much for this child, and now I'm discovering that the child is not mine. The child is, and here is proof. Then that is that case can be concluded in the law courts.
Dlamini says there have been cases where 3 men were supporting one child, which finally causes complications. He says they are looking at ways into solving some of these challenges. I'm Dlamini, Kiani Msibi, Swazi TV News, Babane.